rejections are the part of the sales. So what exactly happening while we are selling to a customer any product? When you are selling a customer, most of the time we are getting a, what is that, the customer will say that this product is, I don't want it now, I will purchase it later, you call me later, 3 months back after that I'll purchase. And sometimes they will say that it is not affordable, I can't purchase. So these rejections are very, very common in sales. So how to overcome that rejections? I mean, of course, we may not be able to completely, clear this rejections in sales. That is okay, but still, how can we reduce the number of rejections? Let's understand that. I'm Sumesh. I'm a sales professional from last 15 years. So the problem is, what is happening is when we are selling a product to the customer is expecting something. So let's understand what are those things. Number one reason is there is no need of that product. So it is very, very important that the customer, when we are also as a personally when we are taking this one, we are purchasing the things which we want it. So otherwise we need so many things. There is a difference between need and want. So what is want? That we need to create it with the product. If you are able to make a want inside the customer's mind, yes, you are done with that one particular thing. The second thing is that there is no desire in the sense the person should have a that much interest on that particular product. So sometimes it may not be there, so you have to create that interest inside the person's mind, right? So that is very, very important. So it is all about presentation. So you need to, when you are going for a sales call, when you are making a sales call, you need to be very, very prepared about this particular point, and you have to do it accordingly, right? The third thing is that sometimes the customer there's no urgency. So they will think that, okay, I will purchase it later. Sometimes they may be requiring that product, but they will say that, okay, I will take it later, because there is no urgency. So you can, as a salesperson, you are supposed to create an urgency inside the person's mind, the customer's mind, and he has to take this one. The urgency can be made by giving an offer. Sometimes you can say that this stock is going to get over. This kind of things you can make it, and you will get this particular thing. So you can overcome that particular thing. And the fourth one is that you can say there's no money. Customer will say that I don't have money, I will purchase, it's not affordable to me. So what is exactly happening is, most of the time it's not because of the money affordability issue. The affordability when a customer is taking is that this product is giving, how much value I'm getting from this particular product. This is very, very important. So when the customer is not getting the value out of the money which he is paying, he will not purchase. So it is your duty as a salesperson that whatever the product you are selling, that much value is given to the customer in the form of this product. So that will give you, that is, again, it is all about presentation. So when your sales presentation is there, you have to ensure these things. And the final thing can be, there is no trust. Maybe you are a newcomer, maybe you are you must have this product would have not seen by the customer. So you need to create a trust inside the customer. Okay, so that is very, very important. So all this put together, if you are able to apply it in your sales call, you are done with your sales. There will be less chances for getting rejected in your sales call. So what are all those things? Number one, no need, no urgency, no desire, no money, and no trust. No desire in the sense they are not having any a very big interest. You need to create that interest in your sales presentations. Okay, hope this video was helpful for you. If you feel helpful, subscribe the channel and share this video with your friends who are in sales. It will be helpful for them. Thank you.